How to pay with phone on Revolut. So to pay with your phone on Revolut, first navigate to your homepage and click on the top right corner on the card icon. This is going to open up the cards section. What you want to do is you want to click on Add New. Next, click on Virtual. Here you will be able to select which card color you would like. So in this case, I'm just going to go for this purple one and click on Get Card for free. Give your card a name and click on Create Card. Next, you'll be able to see your new virtual card here. What you want to do then is you want to click on Add to Apple Wallet at the bottom. Click on Next. Click on Agree to Terms and Conditions. Next is going to ask you if you would like to set this card as your default in Wallet. So I'm going to click on Not Now. Next, if you just navigate to your Wallet app on iPhone or Android, you'll be able to find your card right here. Simply double click on the button as you would usually pay with your phone, and as you can see that my new virtual Revolut card is here and ready to be paid with. And that's how you pay with phone on Revolut. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time.